Do you know that low budget coconut rice are actually the best in taste? And these are the ingredients I use: kpanla fish, Cameroon pepper, onions, crayfish, bay leaf, curry, thyme, salt, and seasoning. Oh, I almost forgot the coconut milk. So let's begin. In a pot of the coconut milk, just add everything. I'm adding the fish. So I'm just gonna add all the ingredients. This is the Cameroon pepper. I'll just like pour everything inside and stir, then allow to boil. So this coconut recipe is like very easy to make with just these few ingredients. I'm not gonna add any other thing apart from it. It's very nice. It's like the best coconut recipe ever. Yeah, adding too much stuff in coconut rice doesn't really, give the kind of taste that I like, because I like feeling that coconut taste and for the fish. Yeah, so this is the best recipe for coconut rice. Very simple. The more you add more stuff to coconut rice, the lesser the taste for me. And I'm just gonna stir this, cover this, and allow to boil. While that is boiling, I'll just go and wash my rice. I'm using normal rice to cook, normal white grain rice, long grain. So this is the washed rice. I'm adding it to the pot of the coconut water, and I'll just stir this, cover this. You don't want to add too much water in the coconut rice because you don't want it like too soggy. To prevent that, you just have to be adding your water bit by bit. Because you can see in the video, the rice I added was much, and the coconut milk is homemade. Comment if you'd like to see how I made the coconut milk and how to make coconut oil. And I'll just cover this and keep adding water gradually. Yeah, because I don't want it soggy. You just have to be careful while making coconut rice, especially. Those are the ingredients. The Cameroon pepper is necessary. All the ingredients I use here are very necessary. If you don't know how to cook this, then just watch my other video of coconut rice, because this particular recipe requires this particular ingredient. Yes, this is Hake fish. We call it kpanla fish in Nigeria. And then Cameroon pepper, very hot spicy black pepper, and then onions, lots of onions, curry, thyme, and seasoning. Very necessary. So just use exactly this ingredient to get the actual taste that I'm talking about. So yeah, I'm just adding like seasoning to it. I just adjusted the seasoning, and I'll just stir this at the top. Don't stir it too much. Don't stir your coconut rice too much, apart from the first time when you add the rice to it, to the pot. And at this point, the coconut rice is just ready. It's very easy to cook. You don't, no stress, nothing, and very minimal ingredients. The taste is very delicious, I promise you. And thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for watching up to this point. Let me know if there's any recipe you would like me to try. This is the final look. Hope you guys like it. Comment what you think about it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, and stay tuned for the next video. Thanks so much.